The next negative trait of the soul is being stingy. The root cause of this trait is the excess love of the material world. A Muslim should remember that whatever they hoard will only be left behind for others to enjoy while they are held accountable for it. Whereas, whatever they send ahead in the form of charity will testify on their behalf on Judgment Day. In addition, according to the narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1961, the miser is far from Allah, the Exalted, far from people, far from paradise but close to hell. Whereas the generous person is close to Allah, the Exalted, close to people, close to paradise and far from hell. If a Muslim struggles to dedicate time beyond the obligatory duties in pleasing Allah, the Exalted, the least they can do is be very generous for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, hoping this attitude will lead to their salvation. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.